Voyager 1, a silent messenger beyond the stars. In 1977, when NASA launched Voyager 1, few imagined that it would still be alive, sending signals across the vast emptiness of space more than 45 years later. Today, this tiny machine, now billions of kilometers from Earth, has sent a cryptic and unsettling transmission. The source? An unknown region in the interstellar medium, far beyond the edge of our solar system. NASA is concerned, and a serious question hangs in the air: is this the end of Voyager 1's mission? Or will it continue, forever drifting toward a distant star as humanity's quiet ambassador to the cosmos? Voyager 1, along with its sibling Voyager 2, is among the greatest technical achievements of space exploration. These spacecraft were launched during a rare planetary alignment that occurs only once every 176 years, giving them a unique opportunity to slingshot past the outer planets using their gravity. Originally designed to study Jupiter and Saturn, the Voyager probes far exceeded expectations. After completing their primary mission, both spacecraft pressed on, eventually escaping the solar system's protective bubble, the heliosphere, and entering interstellar space. For over a decade now, Voyager 1 has been drifting through this dark frontier, sending home data about the density of particles and magnetic fields. But in late 2023, something changed. The probe began transmitting an indecipherable stream of ones and zeros, data that, at first glance, made no sense. It was a disturbing echo from the darkness. This isn't the first time Voyager 1 has surprised scientists. In its early years beyond the heliosphere, it reported unexpected measurements, such as a stream of plasma particles in a region that should have been nearly empty. The interstellar medium was thought to contain just one particle per cubic centimeter, yet Voyager found significantly more. And on one occasion, the spacecraft even detected a sudden flood of particles, as if some distant event had disturbed the quiet of deep space. Where did this stream come from? Some believed it might be a measurement error. Others suggested a stellar flare, possibly from a star like Proxima Centauri, had somehow made its way into interstellar space. If true, it would mean these energetic bursts can travel farther than we ever imagined. But most stellar flares lose their energy long before reaching such vast distances, especially given the thinness of the interstellar medium. So if this plasma originated far away, it must have been extraordinarily powerful, or it came from somewhere much closer than expected. The mystery remains unsolved. In 2021, another problem arose. Voyager 1 began sending strange telemetry data, making it appear as if the probe had lost its orientation in space. Engineers eventually traced the issue to a misrouted data system. After weeks of troubleshooting, they managed to fix the problem, and the spacecraft resumed normal operations. But the latest transmission in 2023 might be different. The data seems to be a copy of the spacecraft's internal logbook, a sign that its memory systems may be malfunctioning. Although the truth is difficult to face, this could be the end of our ability to hear from Voyager 1. But Voyager's story is filled with triumphs. After launch, it reached Jupiter in just 18 months, capturing breathtaking images and revolutionizing our understanding of the gas giant's swirling storms. It observed the massive red spot, mapped Jupiter's atmospheric currents, and discovered volcanic activity on its moon Io, something no one expected. Sulfurous eruptions were seen blasting into space, making Io the most volcanically active body in the solar system. Next came Saturn, where Voyager 1 captured the first detailed images of its complex ring system and thick atmosphere. The probe also studied Titan, Saturn's largest moon, revealing an opaque, smog-filled atmosphere that hinted at Earth-like processes. While Voyager 1 set course for deep space, Voyager 2 continued its odyssey, later reaching Uranus and Neptune, becoming the only spacecraft to do so. One of Voyager 1's most iconic moments came in 1990 when, at Carl Sagan's suggestion, it turned back to take a final photograph of Earth from 6 billion kilometers away. The resulting image, known as the pale blue dot, shows our world as a tiny speck in the vast darkness. It reminded us how small, fragile, and precious our home truly is. Then, in August 2012, Voyager 1 made history again by becoming the first human-made object to enter interstellar space. From this distant vantage point, it continued to transmit data, valuable clues about the galaxy beyond our solar system. But now, after nearly 5 decades of exploration, it may have finally gone silent. NASA engineers are working to find a solution, but hope is fading. If this truly is the last message from Voyager 1, it marks the end of a legendary mission that pushed the limits of technology and human curiosity. Even in silence, Voyager 1 carries a message. Attached to the spacecraft is the Golden Record, a gold-plated disc containing sounds and images from Earth, greetings in many languages, bird songs, laughter, and music. Should another civilization one day find the probe drifting among the stars, they will discover a time capsule of who we were. Voyager the 1st of May no longer speak to us. But it continues to travel, silent, steady, and eternal, bearing a message of life, hope, and the enduring desire to explore.